Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit videos if your Capcut is offline. So the things that you can do, you can't access audio text. Actually, you can access text, but not a lot of the fonts. Stickers, effects, transitions, filters, sorry, but you can access adjustments. So that's what we're going to do. And we can also access these. So you can split videos. You can freeze them as well. And you can crop it, you can reverse it as well, and you can even mirror it. So I'm just going to select this freeze frame one. I'm also going to go to adjustments and I'm going to scroll down. If I want to make it black and white, I'm going to adjust the saturation. I'm also going to adjust the brightness and the contrast of it as well. And you'll have this really cool black and white. I'm also going to add in sharpen and clarity. You can also adjust the video as well. I'm just going to do that. Adjust by using temps, hue, and saturation. Again, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, illumination, etc., etc. And that's pretty much what you can do when your CapCut is on offline mode. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!